Ike, what you got here?
It's a Lego Star Wars tank.
A Lego Star Wars tank. Very good. Cool. And what are you going to do here?
Build a minifigure.
Cool. What kind of minifigures do they have?
Stormtrooper, 2 battle droids, and 1 blue Jedi.
Okay. Okay, let's open up the box. Okay. Cool. Oh, how many bags are there? 1.
There's 2.
That's number 2. Okay. 2 bags. Oh, jeez. 1. Anything else inside?
Oh, that's all.
Oh, where's the book? There's no book?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a book. Okay. 2 books. Oh, boy.
It's not really big.
It's not really big? You sure? All right.
It's not really big, only because it's only 2.
2 books, 2 bags, 2 Ikes.
I was like, why? Is this 2? I saw it was...
Okay, can we find which bags have the minifigures?
Okay.
Okay. Let's get the minifigures out.
And this one has the head.
You found the head there?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get them out, okay? And we'll continue recording. Okay, go.
So I got the minifigures.
Great. Let's put them together, man.
Okay.
Which one are you doing first?
The clone trooper.
Oh, of course, the clone trooper. I think that's for the lightsaber, man. Oh, there's a separate one for the lightsaber. I'm sorry. I was wrong about that. Cool. Okay, you got the clone trooper done? Nice. Okay, what about the Jedi? Let's work on the Jedi. Where's the head of the Jedi?
Yeah, where's the hair? You put it... did you put it in there?
Okay, we'll have to go look for it. Come on, go put it together as much as you can.
The one gray.
Come on. Okay, let's work on the battle droids, please.
What's it got this guy?
Oh, I don't know which way's the front.
Yeah. I think we want the hair.
Okay, I'll look for the hair. You work on the battle droids, man. Cool. That's the body and the legs. Cool. Nice. That's 1. Oh, almost finished. Okay. And the next one? Oh yeah, those have the guns. 2. You work on the other battle droid, please. I'll put this one over here.
Oh, look.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I would do this.
Okay, look at me, man. Isaac, look at me. All right. Okay. All right, all put together. Let me go look for the hair, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you're putting the hair on.
Yeah.
Let me see. Cool. All right, let's put the Jedi with the others.
With the good clone trooper.
Okay. All right, we'll see you later. Okay, come on, put them on. Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Stay in touch and don't forget to subscribe.
Okay. Watch us next time.
Until next time.